sweeties, nakapasyal tayo dito. I don't know if kung saan ito pupunta na island. Actually, this is my first time to come here. Siyan. Hindi ko alam kung saan to galing na island. Yan. Yung parating na yan. Yan sa baba. Maganda pala dito. Sa totoo lang mga lovies, mga sweeties, this is my first time to come here. We're here in the bus, mga sweeties ko dyan. Dito tayo sa bus 961, punta tayo ng Yunlong. Pero dito punta ng Yunlong, baba tayo dun sa baba tayo dun sa kalimutan ko na kung saan tayo bababa, basta dun tayo baba, sasakay tayo ng MTR papuntang Yunlong. Naligaw tayo mga sweeties. Di ko alam kung dito, ang alam ko Hongkong ito sa may bridge. Susubukan natin punta doon, pero hindi pa punta doon Ayo. Diyan tayo galing. Doon banda. Diyan tayo galing banda. Ano ito na? Toll gate. Yan yung tunnel. Papunta doon. Pinan sa kabila. So, doon tayo bumaba sa doon sa baba. We go down there, downstairs, and we are here in the bridge. Hindi ko na alam kung saan ako. Iba yata yung pinabaan ko. Wala talaga si Kahapis yung mga sweeties. Naligaw na naman tayo. Pero okay lang kasi nakakita naman tayo ng views. Ngayon lang ako pumunta dito. Dito na tayo sa baba. Dito yung nakikita natin na view doon sa taas nung nasa nasa bridge tayo. So we just go down there. I will just go down here, and then this is the view that you can see upstairs. So I go. So just like this. So bye-bye lang natin ito. My friend told me that there is a park here, Kulon Park. So maybe over there. So bye-bye lang natin ito hanggang sa makita natin yung park. And then my eyes is already closing because of the sun. Ayan, i-follow lang natin yung mga lalaking naglalakad na yun. So ayan, doon tayo galing. So yun na yung bridge kanina doon. Bye-bye lang natin hanggang makita natin ng park. Hanggang doon. Sayang nga lang mag-isa tayo kaya wala tayong kasamang mag-picture. Today mga sweeties is a bit hot but it's still cold. The wind is still cold, so we can take out our mask here, but kung may makakita sa atin na tanggalin daw yung mask, 10,000 ang fine. So we need to wear our mask or else you will gonna be fined for not wearing mask at worth of 10,000 each carry. So follow the rules, follow the rules, follow the law. So yan, pwede pala tayong pumunta doon sa may mga bato. Marami siguro nagfi-fishing doon. So let's just go, go, go. If you have problem, guys, mga sweeties, just as you can see, there is someone fishing here. They are fishing there. Here. Pwede, hindi ko alam kung saan sila dumaan, pumunta doon. Mga nag-fishing. So let's just go. Go, go, go. Ito pala sinasabi siguro ng friend ko na park. Pero hindi tayo pwedeng pumunta doon kasi may meron siyang may gate. So tara, punta tayo doon sa kabila. Ito ang park. For kids. New Hong Kong Museum Art. Ito na yung park. Nakita na natin yung park. Ay nako, ganito pala dito. Buti na lang nagpunta ako dito at naligaw ako. So ayan, nakita ko na. Ito ang Colon Park. Ganda ng view. The view is amazing. Oh my god, amazing. Makikita mo yung sunset dito mamaya. So ito pala mga sweeties ang dito park, Colon Park. Tignan nyo yung asawa niya, ang tanda-tanda, tas yung babae bata. Ayan pala, ang dami ding dito, a lot of having pala dito, siya nag-tent sila dito. They are having tent here. Oh, may bonsai na bonsai na banana. Oh. Hindi ka palang dito, mag-tent if you want having lunch here. See? And you can also bring your dogs here if you want to play with the dog, because the dogs are allowed to play here. I think this is a dog park because they allow the dog to park to play here. Look, a lot of dogs over there. The dogs are playing. See, they are having a thing. And they are also playing kite over there. See, the kite is flying up. So let's go around, maybe here. Oh my god, the view here is so good. It's so nice to take a picture here because the color is so green. Yan. Mga naman ang dito ngayon, Monday, mga Chinese. Because yesterday was a It's a holiday. So walang nag-iop ng ano ngayon dito, mga Pilipino. So just Chinese. They're here having fun, play with their kids, and then having tent, lunch, like that. If you have partner, you can come here and have a lot of Chinese here. They're all Chinese. See, kids are playing. The kids are playing. Malayo na yung dinaran, yung pinag-ano natin. Doon tayo galing kanina. So ayan, mamaya balik tayo doon sa may seaside. The kite, oh. They're playing a kite. The kite are flying. I-round lang natin dito. Tignan natin kung ano. The girl, this is the girl flying kite. This one, it's a butterfly. Buti nagpunta talaga tayo. Ito na yung Hong Kong's new Museum of Visual Culture. Ito na siya, mga kapatid. Doon tayo galing. So there, we'll walk here and then later on we will go there. We go here first and take a look. Mga bato na ano. It's good. It's good because I message my friend and then I'll tell her that I was lost. I tell her that I was lost. So and then it's good that I take the picture of the Hong Kong, the West Colon, and then they told me that there's a park here. So oh, here pala. Ganito na siya. So here if we have a camera, not a cell phone, we can take picture because the cell phone is it's against the light.